to choose the right painter for your home. Painting your home is a major investment, and the right painter can make all the difference in the result. Whether you're giving your walls a fresh coat or transforming the entire space with bold colors, you need someone skilled, reliable, and professional. How to choose the right painter for your home. Finding the right painter can make all the difference in transforming your home. A skilled painter not only brings your vision to life, but also ensures a quality finish that lasts for years. With so many options available, how do you know you're choosing the right professional? This guide will walk you through the process, step by step, from what to look for in a painter to ensuring they understand your vision. A good painter will not only bring your vision to life, but will also leave your home looking stunning for years to come. So, how do you find the right painter for the job? Let's dive into the factors you should consider. Why experience matters. When it comes to painting, experience is everything. A seasoned painter knows the ins and outs of surface preparation, how to apply different types of paint, and how to handle various tools. This expertise helps avoid common issues like peeling, cracking, or uneven coverage. But how do you know if a painter is experienced? Ask how long they've been in the business and look for examples of past work. Painters with at least 5 years of experience are often a safe bet, as they've likely faced and solved many potential problems. Checking local recommendations. Local recommendations are gold. People in your community are more likely to provide honest feedback about the quality of a painter's work. Ask your neighbors, family, or friends for suggestions. A good local reputation often means the painter is reliable and delivers consistent quality.